Hello everyone, this is Vibhuti and in this video I'll be talking more about the Madad app. Now before I run the program, I'll tell you all a few more things about Madad app. Madad is developed on .NET 4.7.2 core, uses Microsoft SQL Server as its database and uses various NuGet packages like Material Skin Theme UI, Progress Bar, etc. for its UI. Our main aim of Madad app is to find help and give help. On Madad app, common people like me and you can find services as well as help people by providing them certain services. So let's run the program. Now this is the loading screen, which is a NuGet package called as the Circular Progress Bar package. The main screen. Okay, this is the main screen of the app. It has three sections. One is the health section, second is the education section, and third is the job section. So now let us first explore the health section. So I'll click here. Health section again has two parts. One is for the volunteers and second is find volunteers. Now who are these volunteers? Now as we know, during these COVID times, due to curfews, lack of public transportation as well as lack of ambulances, people suffer major grievances. Some people cannot get ambulances, some cannot go outside to get medicines or maybe some essential services. So this is where Madad comes to our help. Here interested people who can provide their transport, maybe car or maybe any service, like for example procuring medicines or maybe daily essentials for someone who cannot go outside the house. These type of people can register over here who want to help other people. So now let's see how a person can register himself or herself. So I'll click here. Now there can be a lag sometimes. So now this is the basic volunteer registration form. So I'll just feed some dummy data over here. Now in the service you can mention whether it's an emergency service or non-emergency service. Now emergency service are those where you can help a person reach a hospital, whereas non-emergency services are those where you can help people procure some non-essential items. Okay, so here you have to enter your location, that is where you will be available. So I'll click on insert. So now you can see a new record with ID number 11 is created over here. Okay, so now I'll just select this. So once I select this, my form gets filled up again with the details. Suppose if I want to reset it, I can click the reset button and it goes. Let's say now Lena wants to change her location. So in that case, I will click. She will click on this on her details. Then she'll go to her location section, clear the part, and let's say she wants to change the location from Margao to Fatod. So from Fatoda to Margao. So this is Fatoda. Now let's see how it will get changed to Margao. So I'll just click on it and here the location gets updated. Now let's say this person, Tina De Silva, she cannot provide her services anymore. Then what she will have to do is she will have to select herself, the form gets filled with her details and she needs to click the delete button. And this is how our entry gets deleted. Now I can go to the back button. Now people, those who need to find ambulances or maybe they need to find a volunteer for helping them get essential items, they will find it here. So here people can see the location and based on the details, based on their needs, they can contact these people and get their job done. So this is the health section. Now moving on to the education section. Now as we know, in these difficult times, many teachers, especially tuition teachers Music teachers, indoor games teachers like chess teachers and all have lost their jobs. Their income is very less. So on Madad platform, such teachers can register themselves so that potential students who find it difficult to learn online or who have difficulties with certain subjects, or maybe some of them want to learn new skills like music, etc., they will find such teachers over here. Also, we have made a provision where teachers, students can submit their notes, as well as teachers and students will be able to find such notes. Okay, now let us first look at the teachers section where teachers can register themselves. So I'll just click here. Okay, so this is the form. Like the previous form, once I click on any information, the whole form gets filled. Then I can do whatever with it. Now let's say this Nayana D'Souza. From her subject maths, she also wants to add the subject physics. She can add it. See, this is mathematics. Now since I did it, it becomes physics. Let's say Anna Disa wants to remove herself from the app. She will select herself, delete it. Let's say a new teacher wants to register for the app. Okay, so level thought will indicate the level, that is till 10th standard, 12th standard, engineering, PhD, whatever. Medium means whether it is online mode or offline mode. It can also include the language in which we will be teaching. Insert. Now this record is created. Okay. Now I want to remove this information from here, from just the form. Then I'll just click reset and the information just goes off. So I'll go to the back. Now let's see the find notes section. So I'll click here. Now same rules over here. You can insert, delete, update as well as reset. So I will just add some dummy data over here. I'll register myself over here. Standard indicates the notes of which standard you are submitting. Now here link I'm including a dummy link. Now since the link can be long, our form will submit characters up to 400 length. Otherwise it will reject it. So now here my entry is create. I'll click reset and the thing goes. Similarly, update, delete operations are similar to the previous ones. So I'll just go back. Now for the student section, here students will find their teachers. Now let us say one person wants a science tutor. Then he will see the subject science. He will see the level, and then he may contact the teacher who is interested, get to know the additional details, the fees and all. This is how Madad will help teachers connect to students. Now let us look at the job section. So I'll click here. Now job section has two parts. One is the register and second is the find employees part. Now as we all know, in these COVID times, many people have been laid off from their jobs. Some of the youth are not getting jobs. So on Madad, people who are interested to do some jobs, okay, they can register themselves. If they register on this app, they can be found out by potential employers who want certain qualities. Okay, these employers will contact these employees so that they can do the job. So now I'll click register. So here I'll just enter some dummy data. I'll select her date of birth. Let's say 1993 March 16th. Gender female. Qualification period. Experience, let us say 0 years. LinkedIn profile, here you can enter your LinkedIn profile. The maximum length for your LinkedIn profile is around 100 characters. If you insert more than it, then you will get an error. So I'll just put any over here. Let's say this candidate does not have a LinkedIn nor a resume. So insert, the operation is done. Now let's say Tanya did not update her correct birth date. So what she will do is she will select this. Now the table gets filled and then she will change her birth date. Let's say it is 1995 and let us say it is October. Now before updating you see it's 16th March. Let's say it is 16th October 1995. So I'll click update and here her record gets changed. Similarly, let us say she no longer wants this job. She has gotten a job somewhere else. So she will select herself, click delete, and here her record gets deleted. So I'll go back. Now in the find employees section, potential employers who wish to employ people can find their right candidate over here. So I'll just click here and here your employers will be able to find their employees. Based on their qualification, experience, whatever, they can contact these people. So this was a Madad app. I hope you liked it. Thank you.